addict ako sa magpawis. I love sweating, I love working out. So for some people kasi it's a chore, for me hindi. Ano talaga siya? Kailangan siya. Hinahanap siya ng katawan ko. Kaya for example, call them ko for work at 7 o'clock in the morning or whatever it is. Gising na ako ng 3:30 or 4 a.m. tumatakbo na ako. So I really give myself time. So I feel like meditation na rin for me, yung running outdoors, or just running for an hour. And just working out talaga for me is something I enjoy. So I think everyone will be able to find something that they enjoy doing. It's, diba, kanya-kanya naman ng style. Some people do some sports, diba? So you just have to figure out what's yours. Bago mag-start yung day ko, kasi tulog pa lahat ng tao by 4 o'clock, yun na ako. Gising na ako. Tapos yun, sinaset ko na yung mindset ko na, okay, it's gonna be a long day today. So, pero yun, that gives me energy.
Kaya ang bongga, diba? Doon sa guilty pleasure, tatalbugan sila ng
oh my God, I'm so excited.
Jameson Blake.
Yes.
Si Jameson Blake na sinabi ko, tatalbugan ko.
Si JM, sobrang hot din niya.
Kaya siya. Kaya pumayat siya.
Oh, he looks great.
Really?
Super looks great.
Okay, so, anong tawag nito? Siyempre yung iba pag nag-endorse sila, hindi nila, yung iba, parang ang paniwala nila, baka i-endorse kasi dahil racket, dahil, hindi dahil una naniniwala sila, kundi may nagtiwala di i-grab. Kaya Lovie po ba, paano ka tumatanggap ng endorsement? Sinusubukan mo ba muna ang produkto? At pag hindi ang sa'yo o pag hindi mo gusto, kahit magkano ba yung endorsement fee na inaalok, hindi mo tatanggapin. Anong una mo kinoconsider?
Actually, it's so weird. I'm really not supposed to, ang una ko kinoconsider is how yung pakikitungo ng boss sa family, sa team. Sorry, I know it's not supposed to matter, but it matters to me. Nakita ko kasi talaga yun nung parang ako for the first time. And when I had the first conversation with Miss Gracie is, wala siyang bukang bibig kundi yung family niya na iba't ibang, kahit gaano pa kalayo yan, sa Batangas, sa Laguna, wherever, lagi niyang binibida yung mga katrabaho niya who are her employees. And that for me was like a big deal. That actually came first. And it always comes first. And then afterwards, of course, I try their products. And then of course, ang hirap kasi mag-promote ng isang bagay na hindi mo pinaniniwalaan na hindi mo ginagamit everyday. And so ako, I've been blessed talaga na, thank God na these products talaga really work for me, really work well for me. And ang dami na rin mga great reviews, and ang dami-dami talaga, when you see it online, everyone would even post their skin, their mga glass skin, ganyan. So talagang big deal yun for me. It's hard to promote something that you don't believe in. And ako, if anything, I've been blessed talaga that products I've been endorsing, I've been with for years. It's because I've built this relationship and I believe in them. And I'm just glad that they would have me and they also believe in me. So, yeah, thank you. So yun po.